This is a used 2007 Buick Lucerne. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.8-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include electric trunk, leather seats, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, and adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, traction control, a passenger airbag. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Brennigan Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1200 North Superior Avenue, Tomah, Wisconsin 54660.